All right, here we got a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. It's got 120,000 miles on it. This is an ex local undercover car, believe it or not. So it's got some stuff in the back here I'm going to show you, but the exterior is super clean. Got some custom wheels, the tires seen better days. So no plates. You'll get plates when you leave here. Let's see where. So we got this truck vault situation back here. The keys do come with it. So excuse me, pretty neat. If you ever wanted a truck vault, there you have it. Driver's side, like I said, very clean. Truck runs and drives great. Inside super clean. I'll show you that right now. AC works, heater works, back seats like new. Front seat, great condition there. You got the middle's in good shape. Passenger, random wires. What else we got? 120,000 miles. Got aftermarket radio. Got all the controls here. That's pretty much it. Pretty much good to go. Come check it out. Preview day 9 to 4. That's gonna be 9 to 4 on Friday before the sale. Any questions in the meantime, just let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you preview day. Thanks for watching.